Hello guys, welcome to Code Runner YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see about the today's daily challenge and daily test solution. So first we see daily challenge solution. In today's daily challenge, I asked a question about code conversion. They given a C question and they asked us to convert the C program to Python program. Now we see what actually the given C program's output. So and here I return the same question given. Now we check what is the output of this program for some input. So first I give hello as the input. So it give EELLO, and then I give IN as the input. So it give IIO. So what it actually means, the if I give odd length string, it print first character twice and then the third character twice, and then it print the last character once. So if I give even length string, it gives 0th character twice and then second character twice. So this is the output of the code. So now we see what is the exact Python replica of the code. So first now I open my Python code file. So let's start the code. So in first line of the given C program question, they initialize a variable to store length of the given string and the given string. In third line, they getting the input from the user. So now we first write the first 3 lines of code. If I name an input string variable as str, and Python will not accept it because the str is a class, is a data type class. So instead of a str, I use ss the variable, and the L. So in same as str, the len is also a inbuilt function of Python. So instead of len, I use L as a name. So it says. So for first 3 line of the given C program code is done. So now we convert the rest of the lines to Python. So for the fourth line is going to be print end of L modulus of 2. So why I use the end is the if without end I printed this one, and the Python ends in a new line. So if I give end, it will not end in the new line. So that's why I use the end. So now we move to the for loop. So for in Python it's for I in range from this, in this C program for loop starts from index 1. So I mention as index 1, and it's end in last character of the string. So I use L minus 1. So after that I write a print, and in here also I use n because I did not terminate in the new line. So and after this in the index this x I minus I modulus of 2 and plus len modulus of 2. So in this the bracket is did not needed because the modulus operator has a highest precedence than minus and plus operator. So that's all about the for loop. Now we move to the last second line, that is this print line. For this also I give end equal to s of len minus 1 minus n modulus n plus 1 modulus of 2. We can give the same input and now we check if the same answer we get as the previous one. So first I give hello as input. So yeah, we get the EELLO as before we see, and now I give IN as input. Yeah, same as before, we also get the same input from the. So if you see here, I written as same code I explain you. So that's all about today's daily challenge. So now we move ahead to daily test. So in today's daily test, they given integer n and the n integer values, and the x value is the position in the array. They asked us to from the given position x and to calculate the sum of integers in a range of x to 2 power x. So this is today's question. So let's we code it up. So first we want to get the input from the user. So I declare a variable int to get a length of the array as n, and I so n. After I initialize the array with length of n. So after that I get the input from user, and C in ARR. After I get in input value x from the user. It's x. So x. So okay, this set of lines get the input from the users. So after getting input for all the required input from the user, we are going to calculate the sum of number in the range from x to 2 power x1. So to store the sum value, I create a sum variable to store the sum value, and instead of for loop from index x to 2 power x1, I use C++ inbuilt function accumulate function to calculate the sum from given range. So I call accumulate function, and the first argument is accumulate function is going to be the starting pointer. So it's ARR array, our array plus from starting index is x minus 1. So after the second argument is going to the end index. So it's array of and the third argument is given as 0. Yeah, if you see here, it gives some error. Why? Because we need integer, so but the power function will return double as a value, so we need to type as it to int. As int. Now let's see. So the error is gone. So this accumulate function efficiently give the range from x to 2 power x 2 power x. So but I used a minimum function to calculate the minimum of this value and the last index n value. Why? Because if this value exists n, so the accumulate function will also calculate the garbage value. So we do not want that. So if it exists n, we need to stop it to n. So that's why I use the min function. So after we calculating the sum from range x to 2 power x, we need to print it out. So C out of sum. So yeah, our code is complete. Now I give test case 1, and if the code works well for it, so test case 1 will be here. So I given an input, if I press enter, give 13. So it exactly matches to our first test case. So let me check for a second test case also. So this is the second test case input. If I press enter, it gives 20. So it exactly matches to our second test case output. So yeah, if you see here also I written a same code which I explained before you. So that's all about the today's daily test. So thanks for watching. Bye.